As today we are going to the cathedral.
Oh, we got to start by going through the cathedral rock where it's like, that's what they call it, I guess. Everyone look at me.
Hey guys, I just got to the top of Cathedral Rock. This is one of the tallest rocks here in Sedona. It's so beautiful. You guys are going to see the whole video. I'm so excited. See a lot of people here taking pictures. So the one thing that you should know, the Grand Canyon kind of starts here. You can see how deep it is. It goes all the way. So guys, look at that.
Use your hands to grab onto the rock.
Wow, this is so beautiful. So down here, if you fall, you are gone. Then look at the log this side. I'm super excited. I'm showing you guys all this. This is so cool. I'll sit here the whole night. Guys, come spend the night with me here. It's amazing. It's beautiful. I wanna live here.
Hey, when we start going down, we chill over the shade over here.
Guys, I'm here. Okay, so I think this is it for Cathedral Rock in Sedona. So I don't think like I'm going to do anything again crazy. Already I'm doing something crazy. You see, everyone is on the other side. So let me go close, check this one out. Oh my, I'm so scared, but we'll see how it gets, how intense. Okay. This is crazy. My friends are so scared on the other side. Look at this, guys. I'm giving you guys all the views.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying.
Good morning, guys. So it's 6 a.m. Today we are going to do the hot air balloon. The hot air balloon that I've been telling you about. You can see they have, I think, like five of them. I love a lot of them on this side. You can see this one is getting ready. I'm scared and excited at the same time, so we'll see what's going to happen. I hope it's gonna be safe for us. A lot of cars are coming. I think there are going to be like 10 of them on the hill. So, see guys. Check-in was a process which took almost 1 hour because you have to check in on the system. You'll have to wait for them to call your name and then arrange on groups. Arrange people in groups, and yeah, it's a big process. You can see those guys getting it ready, so we'll see. I'll show you guys the views from the top. I mean the views from the hill.
They'll be in this bag if anybody wants one, okay? Alright guys, any more pictures? Any more pictures? Alright. Okay guys, all eyes on me. We're going to do another safety briefing. All eyes turn both shoulders toward me, please. Both shoulders, single file line. There we go, single file. Off to your left and right, there are 4 sets of handles, 1 for each person. So halfway down, there's some handles. Turn this way though so I can see your face. That way if I need to give you more information, all right? Handle left and right, please. Handle left and right.
Got it. Got it.
Handle on left and right.
Okay.
You can't be stacked because when we land, you'll bump this way and I don't want you to smash her. So you got to be 1 handle on each side, okay?
So we have to pull.
Yeah, perfect.
I get it now.
And take off. All right?
So like this, right?
All right, that's our takeoff and landing position. So 45 minutes into flight, we'll go over that again so that I don't have to do it right before we land and it's fresh in your mind. All right, in the meantime, my name's Casey. One more thing I should probably say, just make you'll be fine. I feel really good about that, all right? All right, guys, we're going to take off here in just a moment. Please just hold on to something. What I don't want is both hands on the camera, because if we bump the ground, your camera will go overboard. Jack will steal it. He will sell it. You will no longer have a camera. On an unrelated note, Jack has a bunch of used cameras for sale if anybody needs it. What do you buy like water before we take off? We're testing routing. Alright guys, seems like a really good time to tell you that I don't have a steering wheel. I do have this rope right here. It's slowly spinning, but it does not steer us. That way you guys can see everything you want. First thing you want is and that guy's taking our picture. So if you want any pictures with you looking at the camera, that's the way to look, alright?
Yeah, just take some deep breaths. It's very calm.
With you.
This is so beautiful.
So we're going to actually come down and use the faster wind to move downwind, otherwise we'll end up in what we call a wind shadow, which is where there's no wind, because the wind's going around the rock and swirling. So we're going to come down before these houses. guy that took off last is the boss.
Yeah.
And we just want him.
I think you'd enjoy it. Okay.
If we're going 2 miles, then oh boy, we got 2 more miles or 2 more hours of flying, which we don't have to.
So are any of them ahead of us or no?
Downwind of us, but it doesn't really matter. I just, we're all trying to give everybody the best ride possible, and I didn't want to stay low. I didn't want to just ride the trees the whole time. I want a good mix of up and down.
Right.
So you can see on this iPad, you can see our track. That's
Don't touch that.
so that's our buddy with the dog. Alright guys, I need you in landing position. Go ahead and hold on 2 places. Bend your knees slightly. You gotta hold on to. Got one sign door. Sign door. Don't worry about the tree. You know, my dad always used to tell me when he was training me to fly, he said, aim at the one thing you don't want to hit because you're not good enough to hit it. Well, screw you, Dad. I am good enough to hit it.
That's not cool.
I can do this.
You're amazing. Oh boy, we are hitting the sign.
I think we just drop it right here. So let's go ahead and grab the line.
Oh, get out.
Matthew, grab a line, please. Thanks, Casey. Good job. Yeah, man. Good job. Okay, welcome back. Park to the left, guys. Park to the left. I'm in the parking area, so if you can use whatever you need.
Oh, that should be my puppy's name.
Just trying to get all the camera.
Coco would be cute.
Alright guys, so in just a moment I'll let you climb out. If you want, you can look up and see why I don't pull this rope during the flight.
Oh. Yeah.
Alright, you guys, it is safe to climb out. You're welcome to take your time.
Any of my crew can hear me?
If you need it.
Oh, smooth and peaceful. Yeah. No, it's beautiful. Put this foot higher up, right here.
This was a smooth ride. I think we had so much fun, and that's scary. I think this was almost 1 hour and 20 minutes, but still it was so much fun. I think everyone can do it.
Guys, I'm going to get this under control with the crew. Really, they're going to get it under control with me helping a little bit. And then we'll get the vans here. We'll meet up with everybody and do a champagne toast, get you good and drunk and sing.
Okay, we got 3 balloons right there, huh?
Do you mind doing this while I go get the champagne and juice?
Ladies and gentlemen, our standard drink is a mimosa, which is half fruit juice and half champagne. However, you have choices. You can opt to have straight up champagne or straight up juice or water. So, let me get a show of hands. How many straight up juice? Starting here. How many?
plus an extra for champagne. And one extra here, so 19. 19.
19 straight.